Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to make pasta. Take a pan, add oil, onion and green chili, fry them nicely and add some boiled pasta. If you are boiling in a cooker, keep it for one whistle, add little oil and boil it and add in it, add little salt and haldi powder in it, a pinch and three add if you have cream, 3 spoons of cream. You can add 1 cup of cream also. It tastes very nice flavor you'll get. It tastes very good. You can add cream also. If you have malai at home, you can add cup of malai. And carrot, if you have, you can add carrots also, grated carrot. Yes, if you like this video, like, subscribe.